This is Firecracker. He's 2 months old. He's a little firecracker. Yeah, he's just a little baby. Yes, we love the baby. Kisses. That's a little firecracker. Come up here, firecracker. There. That's a little baby. He's just a little baby. Yes, he's coming for me. Yeah. That's a little tiny baby. Yeah. He's so little. He's so little. Yeah. That's my little tiny baby boy. Yeah. Yeah, my little boy. I love this boy. Yeah. Oh, that's my little baby, my new baby. Yeah, he's my new little baby that I can just love. Yeah. How precious is that? He just wants to be next to me. It's so cute. I love it. He's just so loving. It's hard to get on the video. But he just wants love. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yeah, he's just a little baby. Yeah, he is. Yeah, my little darling. Yeah. Yeah, he's precious. He just lets me hug him. Yeah. Little precious baby. Yeah, he just loves all the attention. Yeah. I love him too. He's my new little love. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Oh, such joy. Such joy. Oh my gosh. This is where I find my peace. Seriously. Therapy. Animals love unconditionally. They just want attention. And now I've got a new little love that I am just adoring. Yes. He just lets me kiss him and pet him and just touch his little face, and I can hug him. It's kind of hard to get in the video, but he's so adorable. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he's just completely precious. Come here. Come here, little boy. There it goes. Yes. I'm still here. I'm here giving you love. Yes, I am. And you are really making my day. Yes, you are, my little darling. Yes. 2 months old, little boy. I wish he was mine. What a cute pet. What a love. I mean, I just wish I could get it on camera. He just lets me hug him. It's just like so special and adorable. Yeah, he knows who I am. That's for darn sure. So precious, yeah. Yeah. That's my little boy.